Welcome to Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Ladies, just wanted to check in with you on how you're doing with this current world event of the coronavirus. And I also wanted to thank you for your constant sense of calm and, to a degree, a sense of normalcy. Because despite what's going on around us that's out of our control and some new constraints that are put on our lifestyle and likely forever changes in our lifestyles, you have been that sense of reason and really acknowledgement that with certain things in Mother Nature, we don't have control and we just have to do our best and make whatever changes are necessary to maintain the quality of life. So regardless of what business does or doesn't do and what our next steps are, you continue to carry on. So thank you so much for that and for reminding all of us of that. And we'll see you next time on Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Have a great day.